Hi everybody, getting ready to start my final project here for science. And since I'm a photographer, I've decided to do some photography work, but it's going to involve some chemical reaction, which would be appropriate. And I just wanted to show you how I am putting these together. I am choosing photographs of objects that we have studied. So as you can see here, this is some molecules having some energy reactions. This is transparency film, so it makes it sort of like a negative. And that is the first step in my process, and I will be showing you what happens when we do cyanotypes. Okay, so we have begun the project, and we have our great digital negatives done on a clear film so that we can start doing our cyanotypes. So as you can see, we have a kind of a cloudy day here in Chicago, but each one of these processes can take anywhere from 30 minutes to 6 hours. So we are just going to leave this first cyanotype in the window because there will be UV rays that will get to it and help the process along. Although if it was a bright sunny day, which it probably is in Arizona, this would be a lot quicker process. But pretty happy with all of the photos that I got onto my negatives, and each one has something to do with pretty much each module in our semester. So pretty excited to see how they turn out. Okay. So we had a lot of trouble with the processing because it is really gray here in Chicago. So I purchased a UV light, and we are trying to do one of our cyanotypes with the UV light, see how that goes. And we're going to hope that that takes care of my problem. All right. Thanks. Okay, so a little innovation here, figuring out that we needed more light, so we bought a UV lamp, and we have made a nice little box where it is getting direct UV light, which we needed. Unfortunately, it is winter here in Chicago, so this should probably do it, and we should have some beautiful cyanotypes soon. So we finally have success. We had to build a UV box to be able to get exposure, but we're finally getting exposure and looking forward to doing the rest of the prints now. Signing off.